program that I'm going to be using is Illustrator. So now you want to do is you want to click File and New. Now there's different size of prints you can do, like 8.5 by 11, 11 by 17. But since the poster is going to be 11 by 17, I'm going to be doing that size. And then before clicking Create, you got to make sure everything's correct here. The width 11, height 17, and on inches. All right. There we go. So 11 by 17. So after doing this, well, actually, the first thing you should do is take a photo of your sketch. A photo of, with your phone. It doesn't have to be a good camera. So I'll put it into my file here. All right. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's see. Now, just put it right in the center. You don't have to have it in frame because it is gonna. You can always adjust the size of it like this. So, and by the way, by doing that, you just hold down Shift and Option and right click. There you go. Okay. Now you want to click the image. Go to your layers. Double click your layer. Your image, and name it Sketch. This will make everything easier, organized. So while you're having the image clicked on, what I do is I bring down opacity, not too much, just a little bit. It just makes everything easier when using the pen tool, when outlining each letter. So then go to your image and then lock it. So when you're outlining, if you do click the image and drag it to somewhere else, it could mess everything up. But since it's locked, it's not going to go anywhere. So instead of just going over here, clicking the pen tool, which is right here, you can just type you can press down the P and automatically comes up. So it's all about now clicking and dragging. So the one thing you're noticing here is that the Illustrator usually does this. So it fills up the inside white. So you want to click on it and just click None. So now you just see the outline. Alright, so after completing that, you can obviously move it around. But what I usually do is I kind of color in white. And then I try to get rid of this black outline. It's time to basically start cleaning up all the words, the lines. So I actually started doing the words life isn't about finding. So they're more nice and clean now. I still need to fix these words right here on the bottom. So one thing that you should always know is that the words sometimes get too close to each other, like the word about and finding. A little bit too close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the word about, and I'm going to drag it just a little bit to the left. Make sure that it doesn't overlap with other words because that would not look good. I think that's good right there. Now the word finding, the tracking is a little bit too close. So I'm going to also highlight all these words. Make sure you highlight every one, each letter, and then I'm going to drag it a little bit to the right, not too much. Maybe, no, that's good. Now the N and the D, they're a little bit too close, so I'm going to also drag this separately. Sometimes it's good to not connect all the letters, like I connect the I, N, but that's fine. But when I didn't connect the N, D, it's kind of helping me to kind of bring the words more to the right. So it's good to connect the words, not all of them though. So the D, I, N, it's fine. The G is a little bit too close to the N, so I'm gonna bring it more to the right. It's too much, I think. So just remind yourself about that. I'm still following the baseline, but you can break that rule and just kind of bring it down a little bit more, like the word itself. It's kind of doing it a little bit here. See, the baseline's right here. This is a sketch, so you can barely see it, but yeah. So now I'm gonna start editing all these words, and yeah. Okay guys, so after finishing outlining your lettering, you want to make a copy of it and start choosing your favorite color. And for mine, I'm using white. So now after doing that, you want to find an image and put it on your new layer, and then highlight your lettering, make a copy of it so you can go over the image, and that's basically it. Now you can obviously adjust it, you can make it smaller or bigger, but I like to keep it kind of like in the middle a little bit. And there it is. Alright guys, so before I end the tutorial video, I just want to show you guys the final design on the poster. Here it is. I just wanted to add also the two things in here, which is the logo of Hand Done and the website link. So I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial video. If you have any questions, make sure you check our website. I have the website link on the description below, so make sure you check that out. And thanks guys, and hope to see you guys on the next one.